The price of gold rose against a rallying US dollar on Tuesday, recovering the last of November's US election drop and setting a new record for Canadian investors after Donald Trump said he's planning 25% trade tariffs on the USA's neighbours. Gold also set a new record UK pound price at London's 3 p.m. benchmarking auction, fixing above £2,228 per troy ounce, with a rise of 40.2% from this time last year. "I think we'll do it February 1st, the returning US president said when asked about imposing import levies on all goods coming from Mexico and Canada in retaliation for allowing fentanyl and vast numbers of people to enter the US. Gold priced in the Canadian dollar today peaked above $3,947 per troy ounce as the Loonie spiked down to its lowest USD exchange rate since the global COVID crisis struck in March 2020. Gold in the US dollar, meantime, fixed in London just below $2,740 per troy ounce, its highest price since the 5th of November, the day of the US election, and $200 above the following week's two-month low. With no follow-up as yet from the new Trump White House on universal tariffs of 10% on imports from all other countries, the price of New York gold futures eased back relative to London bullion quotes, extending yesterday's drop from $40 to $20 in the nylon premium towards a gap of just $12. That still left London gold lease rates for short-term loans higher than usual after bullion banks and industrial users rushed to move metal into New York ahead of yesterday's inauguration ceremony and the flood of executive orders Trump then signed. The golden age of America has just begun, Trump last night told college football viewers on ESPN, vowing to make them richer, safer, and prouder than ever before, thanks to passion, strength, and exceptionalism. "Through our power and might, we will stop wars, and we will lead the world to peace." Like CAD prices, gold and Mexican pesos also neared a record high Tuesday as the U.S. southern neighbor's currency fell against the dollar following Trump's trade tariff comments. Euro prices following GBP gold higher, rising within €8 of last week's all-time EUR gold high at €2,645. UK and European equities, in contrast, cut their earlier gains towards zero as New York's stock market reopened from MLK Day with a 0.4% rise on the S&P 500 index. Crude fell through $80 per barrel of Brent following Trump's promise to drill, baby drill, for US oil, while traders in copper like gold slashed the industrial metals New York versus London Premium. Having ended Friday 4.2% above the LME's three-month copper price, CME March 25th futures today opened only 3.6% above London. Amid fears of immediate 10% trade tariffs on Trump's inauguration, that figure was greater than 4.8% this time last week. London spot silver today edged back to two-session highs in dollar terms, rallying to $30.74 per troy ounce. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.